Right, our truck aligner, I'm going to show you how to do a field calibration on it. Obviously, if you've got the twin steer or any of our truck, you've got this get up. What most people get wrong, they try to put it onto the calibration rig with the hangers the other way around. So if you come in close, so turn the hangers the other way around. There you have steps, and you can carry it. First, just showing that we can move it about if we need to. So I do like that. You got little feet on the bottom there, and so it's raised up so you can get your own key under. Down, you can move it. What we do with this is how we calibrate them in the field. So flags out, and what we're after it on 1010, as you probably watched the car video. But what you do with these, with the truck, you measure between the lasers. And so, technically, you should have 16-inch between the lasers. Then what we do with that, so we know we've got 16 there, then we move the flags out of the way, and we project it to the size of the truck. Now with this, we're using tippers, so 8-leg tippers. So what we're going to do, on something red, big red toolbox, doesn't really matter. Actually, if you go in our shop, we've got a new little board, registration plate size. You put on the wall, and it's there permanently. And then we measure again between the lasers, and here we've got 15. So it should be 16, so we know we've got an issue. So when you projected it this far, you go to 16, so it's the same as that, and it's parallel as far as you go. Then it's done. Any problems, give us a ring and we'll sort you out. Thank you very much.